Let's see how to maximize your leads and sales using a simple Instagram DM marketing strategy. So here, this is the traditional way. So this is just some random Instagram account right here, and here they have some link in the bio. So let me open this one and let me actually go to this home page over here, and as you can see, I have made 2 clicks already. And here, let's see what we have over here. So they're actually having some sort of a lead magnets over here. So let me click on this one. This is the 3rd click, and here again, get the guide, the 4th click, and I have to type my email to get the guide. So here, let me provide some temporary email address over here, and let's see what happens. So I said send guide, and the guide should be sent to my email. I didn't receive any sort of messages right here, but let's check the email over here, and here we received some information. And as you can see here, we need to actually confirm the subscription. So let me confirm this one as well, and let's see if we can actually get the guide. Also, subscription is confirmed, and let's see if we can actually get that particular free guide over here. So it's actually loading. So as of now, we didn't get that particular guide right here, so maybe it will be sent in just a few minutes. But as you can see here, just to get a guide, I have to go through tons of pages, click tons of links over here. But instead, if you actually use a simple Instagram DM chatbot automation, you can simply deliver these lead magnets effectively, and it has actually tons of other benefits as well. For example, you can actually increase the number of followers as well. For example, before you even provide the particular free guide, you can actually check the following status of those people who want to actually get the free guide and send notification accordingly. And here you can even collect the data as well. For example, here as you collect the detail or email right here, you can also collect the same details within the chatbot as well, and you can also get more people to view your landing page or free guide as well. So here in this case, I had to enter the email, and that particular guide will be sent to my email. So there is no way for the customer to access that instantly. But if you have a simple chatbot automation, you can simply have that within the Instagram DM itself, and you can even send better follow-up messages as well. That will simply increase the engagement, and you can even build better relationship with your followers as well. So let's see how to build a simple Instagram chatbot automation, including all these benefits over here. And we can actually trigger this automation when someone actually comments your Instagram post or reel. So they don't need to actually click on website links right here. So they can actually simply add a comment, and we can actually simply message them with those free lead magnets and collect customer details and do other things as well. So let's see how to do that right here. So here I'm in a demo account, and as you can see here, we have already connected this particular Instagram account right here. So if you're wondering how to connect these Instagram accounts, so if you click on channels over here, and it will take you directly to the settings and channels page over here, and here you have the option to connect your Instagram account. And so you need to simply log in with Facebook and choose your Instagram account and connect it. That's it. So it will take just a few seconds. So once your Instagram account is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations on the Instagram. So let's actually build an automation right here to deliver the free lead magnet. So let me go to the flow section over here, and let me create a new flow, and let me say DM marketing automation. All right, and let me click continue. So the first goal is to increase the followers on your Instagram. So let's start with that one. So let's start with an action over here. So let me make this one as the starting step, because we want to check whether they're actually following their account or not. So his actions, Instagram, and update the contact of that particular Instagram account. And let's add a condition over here after this particular step, which actually check for the following status. So here, if you type Instagram over here, you can check whether follows business on Instagram. Simple as that. And click save. So if they're actually following your business, then we can send some sort of messages. If they are not following, then we can send some other messages as well. So here, if they are following, let's say, hey, first name, thanks for your interest in our free resource. Click the button below to claim it now. So let's say click the button below to get instant access. So let's say yes, send me. So here, if they are following, it's not an issue. We can simply choose yes, send me. And if they are actually not following, your Instagram profile, then we can send some other messages. So let me add that message right here. So here, if they are not following your account, we simply send this sort of message: thanks for your interest, but this free offer is only available for our followers. Can you please follow our account and tap the button below again? So let me add a button over here saying I am following now, and you can even add any sort of emojis as well. So let's add this emoji as well and click save. So now if they say I am following now, we want to send this to starting step once again. So that's the reason we use this action update contact, so that it will get updated every time to see if they're actually following your account or not. I hope it makes sense. So if they are following, it simply let's move to the next step over here. So let's move to the next step from just send me, and here let's collect for their email address. So use get user data. Awesome. What is your email address? Here they have to provide the email, and the reply type will be saved in the email field right there, and you can actually remove this skip button so that they have to enter their email to go to the next step. Simple as that. And here within the platform you can also send email marketing campaigns as well. So here if you go to the settings over here, so let me show that. If you go to the settings, so let me open settings in a new tab, and in settings in channels you have the option to connect your email address as well. You can even connect your Gmail accounts as well. So here we have connected this one, test@chatting.media. So whenever you send emails from the flow builder right here, these particular emails will be sent right from this particular email. So let me show how to do that. So here if you want to send any sort of email marketing campaigns to the customers, you need to actually add an action over here and get them permission to send any sort of email campaign. So set the email opt-in right here so that you can actually send any sort of email marketing campaigns to those customers. So here we simply ask them for their email address, and once they provide the email address, here you can send them an Instagram DM right here. So let's say thank you, and let me add the first name over here. And the beautiful thing about this Instagram DM automation or the chatbot automation is that you can provide access to your free lead magnets right within the DMs as well. So the people who will actually check for these sort of free lead magnets or free resources will be like nearly 100%, because they just need to simply click on the link in the DM and simply view your lead magnet right away. So you can actually even email those lead magnets as well. So let me actually provide the lead magnet right here. So let me say click the button below to access your free resource, and let's add an emoji. And here you can add any sort of titles or button labels over here, and you can add the links as well. For example, you can easily upload your free lead magnets or guide in a Google Drive and share the access links right here. So I'm just putting chattingmedia.com right here, and here they can access it right here. So let's say you want to send them an email as well. So here let's choose send email over here. So that should actually send them the lead magnet in the email as well. So here for example, let's add the subject as chatting media free resource, and let's add the pre-header as it is. And here you can actually have your own email content as well. You can add images as well. So let's say hey first name your chatting media free resource, and here you can have your button as well. So let's say download now, and here you can actually have the link to access the free resources right there. Simple as that. So this is just a basic email we are just sending to those leads who actually provide the email address. And another thing is that the follow-ups. So here we have done with increasing the followers, email captures here, and more link leads, because we are actually providing the lead magnet within the DMs itself, and here within the email as well. So here you can even send customized follow-up messages as well. So if they do not click this particular free resource right here, you can also send different sort of follow-up messages, but in this video I'm not going to do that. I'm going to send just a general follow-up to keep things simple. So let's add a wait delay. So actually I'm going to choose like 30 seconds just to show you how the follow-up message looks like, but you can actually set the time frames right there. So here let's add a text and say hey first name, just wanted to check in to see what you think about the free resource, or do you have any questions. So here we can actually send this sort of follow-up message. Just wanted to check in to see what do you think about the free resource, or do you have any sort of questions right here. Simple as that, and publish. So here we have created all these things. We actually check for the following status before we actually offer the free lead magnet, and here we collect the email and we provide the free lead magnet within the DMs and also in the emails. And also here we have added a simple Instagram follow-up message as well for the leads as well. So let me click publish over here. So now we want to connect this particular automation with a simple Instagram comments automation. If you go to auto marketing over here, you can actually connect this one with the Instagram comments automation, or you can even connect with Instagram story automation, and you can set specific keywords in the Instagram DMs so that when they DM a specific keyword, this can actually works as well. So let's do Instagram comments automation right here. And so let me create a new one and say DM marketing demo. Click continue. So here we recommend you to choose all posts. So this simply works for all the past post and also the future posts you are doing, because we can actually set a specific keyword right here so that this particular automation will be triggered only if they comment a specific keyword. So that's why we recommend choose to use all posts, and here private reply to the comment. So what sort of private reply we want to send them? So we want to choose this particular DM marketing automation flow we just created. So this is the private reply we want to send to them. And here even you can add the public reply to the comments as well. So likewise, so when they actually comment a specific keyword, so let's choose the keyword as lead. So when they comment lead, then we can actually add specific public comment replies as well. So let me say send you a DM and DM sent and check your DM. So likewise you can have your own public comment replies as well. And here you can even delay these responses as well if you want, like for a few minutes or randomly within few minutes as well. For now, let me click save over here. Alright, it's saved, and let me activate this one right here. So this is active as well. This is the Instagram account connected right here. So now let's test how this actually works. So here, let me share my phone screen over here, and as you can see, this is an Instagram account connected, and the keyword we set up was lead. So let me open a random post or reel. So this can actually works for the reels as well. So let me actually open this post over here and add a comment lead and see what happens. So that should actually trigger the automation right here. So here I just added a comment lead, and let's see what happens. So it says, thanks for your interest in our free resource. Click the button below to get instant access, and it also say yes and me. So here in this case, I'm actually following this particular account, so that's why I received this sort of message. So let me actually unfollow this account for now and test this again. So let me open a random other post over here, and let me add the comment over here, lead. And now let's see what sort of responses we are actually receiving right here. So it says, hey Robert, thanks. So now it says, hey Robert, thanks for your interest, but this free offer is only available to our followers. Can you please follow our account and tap the button below again? Suppose, let me actually, as you see, I'm not following this account, and let's say I'm following now. It will simply send the same message again because I'm actually not following the account as of now. So now let me simply go to this particular profile and follow this account, and now if I tap the button again, I'm following now. Let's see how this actually responds to us over here. Hey Robert, thanks for your interest. Click the button below to get the instant access. So if I tap on yes and me, it simply asks me to provide the email address over here. So let me provide the email as let me provide the email as chatikmedia@gmail.com, and now the customer will get instant access to the particular free lead magnet right here. As you see, click the button and they will also receive this particular lead magnet in the email as well. And here, this is the email we just received right here. So this is a very simple email we set up in the flow builder. So that's the email we received over here. And another thing is that whatever the conversation happened right here can be easily tracked on this omnichannel inbox as well. So if you go to the inbox over here, and here this is the Instagram contact right here, and as you can see here, this is the email they provided. You can find all the conversation happened right here, and the agent can easily jump in and talk with these Instagram leads as well. Quick video on how you can use Instagram DM marketing to maximize your leads and sales. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.